So I'm explaining from fifth question. Yeah. Find the linear relation between x and y such that p x comma y is equidistant from the points a comma b. So let's take, there is a point p x comma y and it is equidistant from 2 points. So there are 2 points a and b. So p is having equal distance between AP and PB. Okay, that means whatever the distance from A to P is there, the same distance from B to P is also. So the point A is 1 comma 4 and the point B is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, so you have to apply the distance formula between A and P and B. Okay, so the distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay.
Cutting range for that, Auntie.
And then hello. So AP is equal to PB. So apply the distance. So you can consider this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, or this is x1 y1 or x2 y2, and apply this distance formula. So root over AP is equal to PB, right? So that is actually given. Given is equal to AP equal to PB. So 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. See, that is all about this AP only. This is equal to PB. So PB means this one. Okay. So root over x minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. See, from here to here I am coming. X minus 1 whole square, like this. Next, y minus 2 whole square. Next, do squaring on both sides. Then you will get 1 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square, which is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now expand this one. Expand like a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square formula, you know, right? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Expand like that. So 1 plus x square minus 2 into 1 into x, that is 2x, plus 4 square, that is 16, plus y square minus 2 into 4 into y, that is minus 8y, which is equal to x square plus 1 square plus 2x into 1. Next, plus y square plus 4 minus 2 into y into 2, that is 4y. So x square on both sides cancel, y square on both sides cancel. Next, 1 square both sides cancel. Then bring this 2x minus 2x to this side, then bring minus 8y to there, and bring 16 to this side. Okay, then 0 equal to 2x plus 2x minus 4y plus 8y plus 4 minus 16. So 0 is equal to 4x plus 4y minus 12. So therefore 4x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. You take 4 common. 4 times of x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus y negative 3 is equal to, when you bring 0 to there, it becomes 0 by 4, 0. Therefore, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the relation between linear relation or linear equation between the points. Okay. I'll explain once again. See, yeah. Yes. So distance between AP, this one, 1 minus x square plus 4 minus y whole square under the root plus x minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square under the root. Squaring on both sides. When you square on both sides, square roots get cancelled. 1 minus x square plus 4 minus y square is equal to x plus 1 square plus y minus 2 whole square. Apply the a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Or you can write it as, or it can be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, this also correct. So I applied this one actually. See, 1 minus x square is 1 square plus x square minus 2 into 1 into x. Minus 2 into 1 into x is 2x. Next here, 4 square 16, y square y minus 2 into 4 into y, that is minus 8y. That is equal to x plus 1 whole square. That is a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Or you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Anything is correct. So x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 plus y minus 2 whole square. It's looking like this formula. So y square plus 4 minus 4y. Okay, so after writing them, you can cancel. See, x square cancel on both sides. Y 1 square means 1. Here also 1 square is 1. 1, 1, both sides cancel. Y square cancel on both sides. And just you send all the left side terms to the right side. Then it will become 4x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. And you equate this to 0. So 4 take common. 4 into x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0 by 4. 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Sixth question. Find the perpendicular distance of this point from the y-axis. See, any point will have x comma y, right? So this x is there, right? That is perpendicular distance from y-axis. And this y is there, no? That is perpendicular distance from x-axis. I will tell you while drawing a graph. See, this is 0. Okay, the horizontal line will contain x values and the horizontal line will contain y values. Okay, okay, suppose if there is a point like x comma y. Okay, so if you see perpendicularly towards x-axis, so this is the point where this x value is there. So this is x. That means from here to here, this is x units it is. Okay, so this value is x. And next, suppose if you draw a perpendicular line from the y-axis, so it is touching at y-axis, right? Yeah, so this distance is y units. Okay, from here to here. And this is y. Okay, so this is y units. And this is x units. See, for this one, you have to see the x-axis, and for this one, you have to see the y-axis. Okay. So this x is representing the perpendicular distance from y-axis, and y is representing the perpendicular distance from x-axis. See how much distance away from the x-axis, like that. Okay. Next, sixth one. Same, no? Sixth one also, 5, 12. From y-axis is same. So from y-axis means 5 answer. Okay, over. Let's say this is 5, 12. Okay, so then at that time, this would be 5 and this would be 12. This would be 12. Okay, so the perpendicular distance from y-axis is 5 units. Okay, that's it. Find the ratio in which the point -3, k divides the line segment joining the points. See, let's say there is a point P. There is a point P which is dividing the line joining the 2 points. These 2 points. Okay. So the point P is -3, k. So this is dividing the line segment joining the points -5, -4 and -2, 3. Okay, now he is asking in which ratio it is dividing. Okay, so we have a formula for that. See, that is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Okay, that is the ratio to find. Okay, so you have to consider the first point as x1, y1, and the second point as x2, y2. Second point, you take it as x2, y2, and the point is x1, xy. Okay, so apply the formula. So -5, x is what? -3. So minus of -3 is 2. This is -3 minus x2. x2 is -2, minus of -2. So -5 minus into minus is plus is 2, -3 minus into minus is plus. So -5 plus 3 is 2, -2, -3 plus 1 is -1. -3 plus 2 is -1. Okay, minus both get cancelled. The answer is 2:1. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so for eighth question, eighth question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining 2, -3 and 5, 6 is divided by the x-axis. So let's assume there is a line joining 2 points. A is 2, -3 and B is 5, 6. So this line joining 2 points is divided by an x-axis. So, okay, so we have a direct formula in which the x-axis is dividing. Okay, so we have a direct formula. The ratio in which the x-axis is dividing the line joining 2 points is -y1 is to y2. So minus of -3 is to 6. So this direct formula you can use here, or you can use section formula. But for that, the x-axis is dividing the line, right? So it is intersecting the line at P. So the P on x-axis will be x, 0. So you have to use this formula for finding the, you have to use this point for finding out the ratio. So use, like for that, we need section formula. Section formula is P x, y equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So you have to substitute the values. So you already know that x2 is 5 and x1 is 2. So here you substitute m into 5 plus n into 2 by m plus n. And you know that y2 and y1. y2 is 6, y1 is -3. So substitute here m into 6 plus n into minus 3. And that will be divided by m plus n as is in the formula. P is x comma y. So x comma 0. Okay, now m into 5 is 5m. N into 2 is 2n by m plus n. Here also m into 6 is 6m plus n into minus 3. Plus into minus minus 3. N into 3 is written as 3n. Okay, equate the y coordinates. So 0 equal to 6m minus 3n by m plus n. So this total m plus n will be sent to the here, and the total thing is multiplied to 0. So it will become 0. 0 equal to 6m minus 3n. Minus 3n comes here. 3n equal to 6m. When 6 comes here and n go there, 3 by 6 is equal to m by n. 3 1 times, 3 2 times, 1 by 2. 1 is to 2 is the answer. Next, ninth question. If the coordinates of the points P and Q are given, then find the coordinates of R such that PR is equal to 25 PQ. Okay. So they have given P, that is 2 comma minus 1, and they have given Q, that is minus 3 comma 4. And then now he is asking to find out the coordinates of R, okay, such that PR is 25 times PQ. Okay, so PR is what? 25 times PQ. Now we have to find out the coordinates of R. Okay, so this is a section formula, but here R is outside the 2 points, right? Actually the points are PQ, but now R is outside point, so we have to find out the R. And what he's saying, PR is 25 times PQ, it seems. 25 times PQ means, see, already PQ is here, and now the length of the PR is 25 times PQ. Okay, so if I say this is PQ and from here to here this is QR, no. So PR is 25 times PQ. So you have to take the ratio between PQ and 25 PQ. Okay. Suppose you think like this. This from P to R, the total thing is 25 parts. Okay. And PQ is 1 part. See, suppose if you take PQ equal to 1 part, then 25 PQ means it is 25 parts, right? So that means PR is divided into 25 parts. So now you take like this. PQ is 1 part, right? Then what about QR? The total thing is 25. You have to subtract this 1 part from 25, then it will be 25 parts, right? Yeah, so you take the ratio of them. So 1 is to 24. So this could be taken as m is to n. And now you have to find this R value, that is x2 comma y2 you should find. And Q is already given, that is x comma y. Okay, and this is x2 comma, sorry, this is x1 comma y1. Use the section formula to find out this. Okay, so section formula is like x1 comma y, x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so m is to n. M is 1, n is 24. Next, so x is given, y is given, that is minus 3 comma 4, which is equal to mx2. M is what? 1. 1 times x2, we don't know, plus nx1. N will be 24. 24x1. 24 times 2 divided by m plus n. 1 plus 24, how much more? 25, comma, 1 plus 24, 25. Next, my2. my2 means 1 into y2. 1 times y2 plus 24 times y1. 24 times minus 1. Okay, so minus 3 comma 4, which is equal to x2 plus 48 divided by 25 comma y2 24 times minus 1 minus 24 divided by 25. Okay, so equate these two. Equate the x coordinates and equate the y coordinates. Then you will get x2 plus 48 divided by 25 is equal to negative 3. And here you will get y2 minus 24 divided by 25 is equal to 4. 25 goes here and x2 plus 48 is equal to 25 times minus 3, which is minus 75. x2 is equal to minus 75 minus 48. Add both of them, you will get the answer. 70 plus 40, 110. 5 plus 8, 13. 110 plus 13, 123. So minus 123 is x2. Send this here. So y2 minus 24 is equal to 25 times 400. y2 is equal to, send this here, 100 plus 24, 124. So therefore, point R is equal to minus 123 comma 124.